Join me as we explore Darling Harbour in Sydney, Australia. Welcome to Sydney in Australia. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Darling Harbour is a harbour adjacent to the city centre of Sydney, New South Wales, Australia, that is made of a large recreational and pedestrian precinct that is situated in the western outskirts of the Sydney Central Business District. Darling Harbour, friends, ticks all the destination boxes, matching a splendid waterside location in the heart of Sydney with some marvelous attractions such as aquarium, a great dining options within the area. Cockle Bay and King Street Wharf offers funky nightclubs, wine bars, and bistros serving fine food and delicious cocktails. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next videos.